Abantu abaningi ke abanelisekanga indlela u-SG womkhonto wesizwe party uCommand uDr Maseko aphendula ngawo lo mbuzo lo owawubuza ngokuthi kwenziwani ukugwema lento le ye-dual membership. Umkhonto wesizwe wenziwani ukugwema lento le ye-dual membership. Of course ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-journalist yayibuza lokho ngoba phela iyazi ukuthi la kumkhonto wesizwe kungenzeka kube nabantu maningi amathuba kube nabantu ama-members omkhonto wesizwe, but also they are members of the African National Congress. Some of them are even still members of the South African Communist Party. Abanye ke they are members of other political parties like Pan Africanist Congress. Abanye they are still members of Economic Freedom. In fact, they have not resigned their membership. So bebuza ke lo mbuzo ukuthi yenze njani i-MK, isiphi strategy enaso ukudila nalento ye-dual membership. So Dr Maseko uthe mengabe phendula ke yase impendulo yakhe ingezwakali kahle in terms of responding to lo mbuzo lo. But upon further reflection, upon further analysis of the question itself, I realized ukuthi it was a disingenuous question. It was a question that was asked with the purpose of, I do not know, swaying a public opinion, you know, to align with a particular narrative about umkhonto wesizwe. But in reality, it ayikho inhlangano engaphendula lo yambuzo lo. So what Dr Maseko did was to use that opportunity to communicate something that was more important for communication, rather than to play into the hands of the journalist who asked that disingenuous question. Why the question itself was disingenuous and it cannot be answered? Because in this country, there is no central database, for a membership, a political party. There is no central database that interfaces membership databases of political parties. Membership databases of political parties. So what does that do? Yenza ukuthi ungakwazi ukudetect ukuthi somebody is already registered with another political party. Awukwazi ukudetecta lokho. You can only trust a person ukuthi is not already registered with any political party, because there is no central integrated database in which political databases of political party membership is actually interfaced. Is actually interfaces. So there is no political party that can be able to answer that question, no matter how organized it is. It can't answer that question. DA can't answer the question of whether or not any of its members is a registered member, is registered with another political party as its member. ANC can't do that. The political party can only know its members. And the political party, in order to know whether abanye abantu are registered with political party, you can verify with those political parties if certain individuals indeed appear on the membership databases. But without that, you can't know. No one can, not really, until such time where the South Africa creates a central database, which would be a platform for registering, tracking and tracing our memberships. Then and that database, the central database, interfaces and integrates our databases of other political database of membership of other political parties as well. So which means through that system, you can then be able, for example, to detect if somebody is registered with another political party. You can just punch maybe an ID number, or, that would take you directly to the political history, the political affiliation history of an individual. the records of that if they exist. Yeah, so and I don't think it's the question that any political party should be preoccupied with, because it is what it is.